Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to monitor an iPhone without needing an Apple ID or password, and without jailbreaking the device, using an amazing tool called FamiGuard. This method works perfectly for iOS 18, so if you're curious about how to keep track of device activity, stay tuned. First, let me introduce you to FamiGuard Pro. It's a powerful monitoring tool that allows you to track real-time activity on an iPhone. Whether you want to keep an eye on your child's device or ensure your phone's safety, FamiGuard Pro is packed with features that make it easy and secure to use without jailbreak and without needing an Apple ID or password. To get started, head over to the FamiGuard website. Once you're there, you can browse through the different monitoring features they offer, like screen time, social media monitoring, WhatsApp tracker, block apps, block website, location tracker, call recorder, call history, messages, GPS location, and more. Next, you'll need to create an account. Just click on Sign Up, enter your email address, and set a strong password. After signing up, you'll be directed to the FamiGuard dashboard. Now, you'll choose the iOS monitoring plan that best fits your needs. FamiGuard offers different subscription plans based on how long you plan to use the service, so choose the one that works for you. Let's take a quick look at some of the extra features FamiGuard offers. With SMS Tracker, you can monitor all text messages secretly. It helps you know who your children are talking to and what they say in these conversations. With Call Recorder option, you can take recordings of all phone calls and social media app calls, knowing your child's daily communications and phone activities. Plus, you can have access to the All Contacts list as well. Next is the Location Tracker. With real-time GPS location tracking, set up geofences to receive instant alerts when your child enters or leaves designated areas. Plus, you can track your target device location within seconds. With FamiGuard Pro, you can easily access multimedia files like photos and videos of your target device. Plus, you can also get access to their app's photos and videos as well. The best feature of the FamiGuard Pro is that you can monitor the chat history of popular iPhone messaging apps, including WhatsApp, WeChat, Line, Viber, QQ, and Kik. And don't worry, FamiGuard is designed to be completely secure and private. All data is encrypted, so you can rest easy knowing your personal information and that of the device you're monitoring is safe. FamiGuard, a powerful app that makes remote monitoring super simple. Whether you're a parent wanting to keep an eye on your teenager's phone or just ensuring device security, FamiGuard is the best solution. And, as a special bonus, I've got a 20% discount code for you. If you want to give FamiGuard a try, you can use my exclusive code at checkout for 20% off your purchase. This discount is perfect for parents who want an easy, secure way to monitor their child's iPhone activity. You can simply click on the link in the description to download and have a discount code exclusively for your purchase. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to keep an eye on an iPhone running iOS 18 without needing an Apple ID, password, or jailbreak, FamiGuard is definitely the way to go. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Drop any questions in the comments below and I'll catch you in the next video.